Welcome to First Aid for Feet instructional video on felt chiropody padding 2mm. So the 2mm is the description of the thickness of the padding, and it comes in a packet like this as our single piece. We do larger sheets, about 4 times the size of this, and also packets of 4 large sheets. The instructions on the packet say cut to size and shape required, peel off paper backing and apply padding to intended site. The adhesive is low allergy, hypoallergenic, but do not leave padding in situ too long. It's semi-compressed felt that we use and supply, so it's got some cushioning ability to it. As it's only 2mm thick, you could use it as just a protective layer over an area that's prone to trauma or damage, whereby you just cut the shape to suit the area. So if we take my scissors, we could just cut a bit to go on a toe, for instance. Just a little shape like that you apply to a top of a toe. You could put some shape on the actual padding itself just by cutting round very gently. Just cut that nice and gently round to put some shape on it. And then we peel off the adhesive backing and we apply it to the area that we want to be protecting. As it's only 2mm thick, it's not so important to bevel, and I'll talk about beveling on the thicker padding. So that would create some protection to an area just from its cushioning ability, but we don't tend to use felt like that. We tend to use felt in a way that we can actually offload an area, and the easiest way to offload an area is to cut a shape that is actually a crescent shape. You'll see I've cut that out of the padding there, and if we cut that round so we have a horseshoe crescent, then that can be used to get pressure off an area in the centre there. So for instance, to relieve pressure from the top of that toe there. You could use a bigger one to relieve pressure off the ball of the foot. We use it in all sorts of ways, but the crescent is a really useful shape